front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is pinch your display like that and hit themes at the bottom. Then pick a perfect one for you from themes category at the bottom left corner by clicking on one of those options or by clicking on the search bar and typing in wherever you want to. After picking a perfect theme, I will go with this one. Hit download at the bottom and when it's ready, select apply. Then wait. As you can see, after that, my theme was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you need to access themes again. Click on menu at the bottom right corner, select my stuff at the top left one, tap on your default theme and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!